To write a letter or something. Postcards home.
Today, each of you are taking on a classic bush tucker trial.
You've got bush tucker bonanza.
Oh!
You will be served 10 dishes. 5 will be classic bush tucker. 5 will be tasty treats from home.
Oh!
If you eat the bush tucker dish, you'll win a star of camp. If, though, you eat the tasty food from home, you will forfeit that star.
Now, there are a total of 5 stars to be won. The first 3 stars are for a main course for each of you. Star 4 is for a drink, and star 5 is for a treat.
So, Ian, shall we give it a go?
Let's do it.
All right, here we go.
Come on, I'm hungry.
Ranger, the first 2 dishes, please. You must have seen this one on TV.
I've seen this one. I've fallen inside the television. Good morning. Thank you.
Okay, then. So, your first bush tucker dish is this. Turkey testicles.
Oh, turkeys have testicles.
Male ones do.
Oh.
Or, the nice dish is this.
Oh.
A bacon cheeseburger with fries and onion rings.
I've missed you. Hello, my beauty.
Smell that bread.
Let's go for it. 2 of these?
2 of them, yeah.
Okay.
So the ones with the cocktail sticks in, you just need to pop them in there. How's it offer?
I'm chewing, but they're not getting any smaller.
Alright, okay. You know what that is on that table there? A lot of bollocks.
Please, you're not taking this seriously, guys. Here we go. Right, number 2. Oh, wow. Oh, I finished it!
Oh, there's
He has.
favourite part of the year.
Well done, well done.
Okay, that was lovely.
Good start.
That was all right. It felt like eating a sack of pus. Yeah.
Okay.
Shall we move on?
Yes, please.
Let's bring out the second dishes.
Oh, look. It's unusual.
So, your second bush tucker dish is
Hi, Chihuahua.
dead scorpions.
They are definitely dead.
2 of them.
Yep.
Or
Versus.
can we tempt you with this?
Lovely lady. Hello, madam.
You can have that. You could just sit and graze on that.
No one need ever... Oh, the would, yeah, because you wouldn't get the full.
All right, yeah.
And you can't blame this one on Amir.
You're beautiful. You're a very, very naughty lady, but I'm going to say goodbye to you. Maybe we'll speak again another day. I'm going to say hello to these boys.
Imagine it's like a lovely soft-shell crab.
Oh, yes. And what I'm going to do is I'm not going to look at it, and then I'm going to look at it, and it's just going to go straight in my mouth, and I'm going to chew it like this.
Oh, it is crunchy.
Has it got poison in?
Don't think so.
I mean,
Could you find out? Because I feel a bit dizzy.
Poison's been taken out.
That tastes horrible.
Like what?
If you were to bite off all your fingernails and toenails and put them on the bedside table, then scoop them up and stomp on them, it's that. It tastes like arseholes. This is horrible.
hang on a minute. We
Tastes like us.
Finish this, and that will be your second main course you'll have won for camp tonight.
I'll be hungry. I'll be in intensive care. It's good. Who's to swallow this bit? Who wants to look?
Very good work.
Happy to move on?
I'm very happy to move on. Yes,
Right.
thank you. Here
This
we
is
go.
for your third main course at the camp tonight.
Your next bush is... camel brain.
Oh, look at that!
Or can we tempt you with this?
Oh!
A roast chicken dinner.
I tell you where you've gone wrong in this. Those spuds are not crispy enough. Take that away.
Okay, over to you.
Okay, thanks.
Now lift up the bit you've got to eat.
Oh, it's a big old,
That is a big
brain. Have a moment's silence for the camel wandering around without a brain. It's just gonna bite it. It'll be fine. It's gonna take a really big bite, and it'll be great like that.
You like it?
No, I think I might throw up.
Okay.
This one?
No?
Okay.
Thanks, I've eaten. Oh, boy.
Come on! God, what's that over there? Finish!
Come on, get this down to 1, I reckon. reckon. Go on, Ian.
Oh!
There it is.
Mmm. Oh.
Yes, there it is.
You have to drink a drink.
That's thirsty.
Your bush tucker drink is blended cockroaches, mealworms, crickets, and beachworms.
Wowzers.
All very high in protein.
You two are absolutely sick.
You really are.
Okay, high
I'm
in
not
protein.
taking credit for it, but I can't.
Or
Oh, it's the trio of drinks.
an iced mineral water, lemonade, and a black decaf coffee.
You know that when I have a meal, I have to have 3 drinks, and one has to be a plain water, one is a serious grown-up drink, a hot drink like a tea or coffee,
Yeah.
and the other's the fun pop. And you've got the trio of drinks. I'm so touched. So cheers.
He's going for it. And is not hanging around.
Going down in one.
He's a machine. Have that, you bastards.
That is seriously impressive.
Oh, jeez. What number was that?
That was 4.
How many more have I got?
One more.
Is it an arsehole?
It's better than that.
What's better than a bumhole?
Ranger, let's have your final 2 dishes, please.
Oh, I feel queasy.
So, your 5th and final bush tucker dish is a pig's vagina.
You're joking.
I've just said that on television, yes. A pig's vagina.
Brazilians haven't reached pigs yet, have they? Look at that. Bloody hell. Okay.
Or can we tempt you with describe what you can see there.
Oh, my dad, this is from my dad, bless his soul, rest in peace. This was his dessert and I love it. It's, you've got to have hot apple crumble.
Yeah.
You've got to have warm custard and then you've got to have cold vanilla ice cream on the top.
Nice.
Oh, look, Dad, look what they gave me. Look what they gave me, Dad. But also, look what they gave me, Dad. Right, okay, we're going through. In 1, in 2, here we are.
Wow.
Oh, you dirty pig. That's horrible. The people eat this.
Well, it's bush tucker. If you were lost in the bush, you could survive.
Cut off a pig's fanny and eat it.
Well, you eat the rest of the pig and then that's left and you can also eat that. What does it taste like?
It tastes exactly like what it is, mate. Like meat jelly. Meat jelly, Jesus.
Oh, God.
I'm not chewing, I'm just thinking of all my career choices that have left me here eating this. Look into my empty mouth, Adam Deck.
There it
You
is.
did it! Did it! Did it! Oh!
Well done, Ian.
5 out of 5.
Bloody hell.
Your last ever bush tucker trial.
Thank you, guys. That was